guys, gawa tayo ng quick pasta. So, meron ako ditong mushrooms, tomatoes, garlic, and spinach. So, lagyan lang natin ng milk. Konti. Then, lagyan natin ng cheese. Tapos iluto lang natin. Nag-add pala ako ng bell pepper, saka konting tubig para mag-sauce siya. Guys, so ito na yung mga sauce natin. Hanggang luto naman na yung pasta natin. Lagay lang natin sa sauce.
No, she wanted another, but she doesn't really care. Are you being forced to drink? Do you eat poison you drink poison every single day to make your system have habitual poison learning?
Guys, luto na yung seafoods pasta.